Hello, my name is Elvia Melo. I have 45 years old. I'm from Barranquilla, Colombia. I live in Barranquilla. Actually, I study math professional, currently an industrial engineer at UNAC. Previously studying in the Sena. My current technology and I currently working on it. In my free time, I play soccer and children. Uh, why my children? Because I live with my husband and children, and we they earn or live to spend time together. Also, at night we watch on favorite TV show together Guerreros. My fight as for by a for me high. My husband. Hello. Víctor Martínez Mejía is 36 years old. He is businessman. He is from Barranquilla. My husband is very good. He is sharp. He has brown eyes and he has brown hair. Hello. My older son, Melo, is 14 years old. His eye is gray. Studying his is from Barranquilla. His is tall with dark skin. His eyes brown ash in bright hair. My son is Samuel Martinez Melo. He is 6 years old. He is fourth grade student. He is from Barranquilla. He is short with white skin. He has brown eyes and brown hair. Thank you, teacher.
Hello.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.